So, are you interested in creating realistic AI images like this?
If yes,
For that, watch the video till the end.
open any browser and search for Ideogram AI. Once you come here, open this site. Once you come here, you should create an account like this. After you have created the account, you will see an interface like this, with lots of AI images generated by other users of this platform. You can explore them if you like. So to generate our images, you should provide your prompt to here. And from here, we can change the style of the images that we want to generate. And I will select realistic for this video. And from here, I will enable magic prompt on. And from here, you can select the image resolutions. And from here, you can select the model to generate the images. And make the rest as it is. And to here, I will provide my prompt like this. And I will select the realistic mode. And I will turn on realistic mode. If you like, you can turn this off. And click on generate. And this will take some time to generate the images. After the images have been generated, you can click on them like this to see the result. These realistic images are looking perfect for me. So I will show you all with another example. These images are super hyper realistic. These realistic images are looking perfect for me. So like that way, you can generate many realistic images like this for free. So if you like this video, smash that subscribe button and see you in the next video. Good luck.